Hi guys, in this video we will see how to save Facebook posts for later on Facebook. If you want to save your Facebook post to watch later, then here are the process. Go to any post which you want to save later and click on 3 horizontal dot against each, and here on the drop down menu you will find the option save video. Click on save video and here a pop-up window will appear. Here you will find for letter. Make the check against this option and click on done. Now your Facebook post is set as watch later and click on it. Save to for folder, for letter folder. If you want to see in which place the said saved video is kept, so here you can see under my collection your for letter video is found. You can easily save any video for later on your Facebook page. That's all.